What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority, and today I'm going to taste test Netherlands and a Dutch MRE. I guess both countries using the same modular MRE. Let's see what this thing is all about. It's interesting that this thing is in Ziploc bag. Boom. There's another Ziploc bag. Let's see what's inside here. Coffee creamer. So looks like this is a bunch of powder stuff. Cacao, beverage, powder. I like that there's in a different language here. I have no idea what this is, so let's open it up and find out. Okay, there's a bunch of tea. And let's see what this thing is. Oh, that's a powder. Iced tea powder, lemonade, cacao beverage powder. There's so much different mixed drinks. That's insane. Let's just put that aside. Okay, let's see what else we got. Oh wow, look at this. This looks like camping food. Very easy to use. Look at that. Just put in hot water in there, stir it up, leave it for 3 to 5 minutes. Muesli with apples and berries. I love that it's in English. And what else we got here? I think we have to look right here what it's all about. I have no idea what's inside here. It doesn't really say much, but this little printouts over there, it's even hard to see them. Okay, we'll find out in a minute once we open it. It's really hard to say what it's inside there. Oh, look at that. We have some matches. Perfect to warm it all up. And right here is biscuit. Let's see what else we got here. Fruit biscuits. There's 2 packs of them. This is like a snack pack right here. And there's some spread for the biscuits. Not really sure what it is this. Once we open it up, we'll find out. There's a bunch of mixed nuts. Dextrose tabletin. Not really sure what this thing is all about. This is so cool. A whole bag of tissues. And obviously some jam in here. Also spread. Whoa, no way, a whole pack of gums. Check this out. Did not expect to see that in MRE. And this has gotta be some kind of dental floss or maybe some kind of gum. We'll open it up and find out. Let me open this up so I know what it is, so that way we know how to cook it up and warm it up. Check this out. Not really sure what it looks like. Okay, let's see what this thing is about also. Looks like some kind of grits or something with meat. I see a bunch of potatoes. I have no idea. No, this looks like some kind of grits. Okay, let's warm everything up. I got 125 milliliters. But how am I supposed to know if I have 125 milliliters? Oh well, I'm just gonna say this much is good enough. Okay, then we're going to close it for about 3 to 5 minutes and we'll come back to it. Okay, also same thing right here. I wish there was a line how much water I need to add. Oh yeah, also I gotta stir it up. Let's see what this iced tea powder lemonade looks like. Just put it inside there and then just add water. Wow, that looks cool. First taste test, we're gonna go with this stuff. Meatball and some kind of... Let me taste this, what this is. Tastes like potatoes. So, meatballs with some kind of maybe spinach sauce and potatoes. Very delicious. My first time eating Netherlands food. And you know what? It's amazing. Okay, this has gotta be grits and potatoes. Never heard of that before. Wow, never tasted anything like that. Tastes like sweet and sour. Amazing. Okay, this is muesli. This is probably my favorite. I love muesli. I'm gonna eat it all probably. But as you can see, boom, easy to cook. Just put hot water in there and you got yourself a perfect breakfast. Wow, very sweet muesli. Love it. And this one, muesli, apples and berries. There you go. Wow. This is even better. So far, Netherlands, thumbs up for me. Let's see what else they got. Let's open up Biscuit and try some of those tuna spreads and different type of spreads. Whoa. This is a regular unsweetened biscuits, like a piece of bread. And there you go. This has got to be tuna spread right here. I'm just gonna grab a spoon and put it on my cracker. Wow, that spreads so well. Honestly, I love this tuna spread. It's like pashtet except the fish kind. There's a different type of spread, probably just different fish or different kind of meat. And there's another kind. I have to try all, you know that. You could probably just dip it like this. Oh yeah, this is definitely looks like pashtet. Oh yeah, reminds me very much just like a pashtet. Love it. Obviously this is my favorite. I'm just gonna call this pashtet as well. This ones you can tell is bunch of vegetables. Russians have similar spread, bunch of vegetable spread. Man, this is my favorite videos to make. Taste test bunch of different type of amazing food. Best job ever. This is the fruit biscuits. They got cracked a little bit, but let's taste it. Tastes very sweet. Like pechenya. Pechenya is like a cookie in Russian. There you go, new Russian word for you. Pechenya, cookie. Okay, there's jelly or jam, whatever. Oh yeah, that looks like an awesome jam. Check this out. With the sweet cookies. Wow, perfect dessert right here. I can definitely survive on this MRE. I cannot believe how delicious everything is. Everything tastes like homemade. Obviously we have more snacks here. Looks like Netherlands and Dutch MRE has lots of snacks. You guys love to snack, don't you? Me too. Boom, there's a bunch of salted nuts. Never mind, they're actually sweet peanuts. Can go perfectly with the tea. Iced peppermint gum. I cannot believe how much gum this MRE has. That will last you more than 1 day or 2 days. I usually only eat one piece of gum a day, so it will last me like 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 days. Yep, peppermint gum. You know what I'm interested about also that I never seen? This package right here. This is some kind of dental gum or something. Let's open it up and find out. Oh no way, what is that? Look at that. Is it like a dental brush? Let me show it to you close up. Look at this thing. That's so weird. Do I just chew on it? I have no idea. It's so not in English. Oh yeah. I guess it's like a brush without toothbrush. So you just pop it in and chew a bunch of time on it. Wow, this is so weird. I never seen anything like that. I really thought it was gonna be like a gum or something. And it actually has a little bit of toothpaste on it. But not too much, so I'm sure it's okay to swallow some of this. If that's what I'm supposed to do, I have no idea. It's definitely better than nothing, and that way I don't have to worry about toothbrush. That's so weird. Never seen anything like that. There you go, guys. Netherlands Dutch MRE has the weirdest gadget I ever seen. Wow. What else did I miss? I think I did it all. What else? I really do love that Netherlands and Dutch MRE pretty much have a pashtet as well. Huge thumbs up for me for pashtet. Also another thing is like the cookies, the fruit biscuits and regular biscuits are amazingly insane. This fruit biscuits by itself tastes like cookies. Amazing MRE. Never thought I will find something I never seen before in the Netherlands Dutch MRE. And that toothbrush that you pop in your mouth and just chew on it, and that's how you brush your teeth, was pretty unique. Never seen anything like that. I wonder if you can buy them like by yourself somewhere and actually use them instead of having toothbrush put some in the car when you're driving and overnight somewhere. You can just chew on it and brush your teeth. By the way, there's lemon iced tea. Wow, delicious. It does taste like lemon iced tea. That's insane, in a powder form. And that's it. I did everything. Huge thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.